All right, everyone. I realize I'm not supposed to reproduce the CASP interim items, so I'm going to show you how to identify your items that kids were struggling with according to the IAB report. So you're going to go to the California Educator Reporting System from the interim website. Pay attention to my URL here. So we were at CASP Resources Interim. Again, that's Resources Interim. I selected Educator Reporting System, and then you'll go ahead and select your group below. So here I have a group for Miss McDonald's class that I created for the purpose of this tutorial here. And then you're going to go into the test you want. So you'll see your selected assessments. You can select more. She proctored for both 4th and 5th grade. Make sure your assessments that you want to look at that you provided, in this case number-based 10 IAB for 4th and 5th grade. And then you're going to go look at, in this case, the 4th grade results by item. And then you click the item viewer. And you'll see the item. All right, so again, you could start the steps over. I'm going to show you again how to get to your IAB items. We're in Resources Interim, so you'd go to the CASP website, under Resources, hit Interim Assessment Resources, California Educator Reporting System, and then again, once you've completed the IAB, I will format it so that your students will report as groups. I'll upload the groups for you. You're going to scroll down right when you get into the CERS, the CERS system, California Educator Reporting System. You're going to hit your group, and then you're going to make sure that you select all the assessments that you gave to your group. And then you will go into the appropriate test. In this case, this 4th grade base 10. Or, since I didn't show it, go 5th grade base 10. Results by item. Click the blue pull down with the number of the item you're looking into and go into the item viewer. All right, those are the instructions for how to look at the items for your IAB, so that as you do the analysis of the grids that I create for you, here's an example of a grid that I completed, right? We're looking for those items that have a high percentage of students getting them wrong. Again, my pre-programmed spreadsheet will do those calculations for you. And then you also want to look at the students. So to the left, you'll have your student names. And look at those students who are struggling, right? Who have a lot of red across the board. So on the very right side, you'll see the percentages. And again, if it'll auto color red or orange. If it's below 80%, orange and red, this will tell you which kids maybe need specific instruction, right? So again, clusters of red indicate these students could be a group. Vertical columns of red means the question was challenging. All right, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, reach out.